Hi, in this video I will tell you about the new blockchain game project which is in its early stages and show you step by step how to get early access to the game, and you will also get game skins and game tokens in a few simple steps, so watch the video carefully till the end and do not rewind so you won't miss important information. Angelic is a unique fantasy game developed by Metaverse Game Studios. It is a story-based multiplayer strategy role-playing game set in a collaborative sci-fi metavirtual universe. The game places equal emphasis on story and role-playing elements, including turn-based combat strategy with colorful and unconventional characters. And the dynamic plot fascinates with unexpected turns, fully immersing you in the unique atmosphere of the game. The game is based on blockchain technology with an exciting and unique decentralized ecosystem, which will be available to players on PC, PlayStation and Xbox in the third quarter of 2023. And so, let's move on to the interesting things you should know about the project. The project has more than 75,000 people subscribed to Twitter, among which I will mention OKX Ventures, Huobi Ventures, Moonrock Capital, Animoca Brands, Pantera Capital. The project has raised $10 million in investments from funds like Animoca Brands, Solana Ventures and Pantera Capital, as well as with many other blockchain industry giants like OKX, Blockdream Ventures, Mechanism Capital, Morningstar Ventures, Huobi Ventures, Shima Capital. Experienced team, which developed independently and participated in the co-development of the following projects, is working on the game, League of Legends, Far Cry, Metro, Halo, Venom, Warface and others. And now the most interesting, how do we get future early access to the game and pick up your rewards? All very simple, go to the official website of the game, the link I will leave in the description below the video, click register now, here write your mail and click register. Also in addition you can write Solana and Ethereum wallets, but it is not necessary. Hurry up because 70% of the seats are already taken. What do we get for registering? Early access to the game. 3 in-game characters. And a limited edition digital poster. Later on, you'll be able to get in-game hero skins and game tokens by burning these posters. That's how many different rewards you'll get just by registering your email. Oh, and I almost forgot, in order not to miss interesting new and free cryptocurrency activities on which you can earn, subscribe to my Telegram channel. There in the first place comes the latest and most relevant information on activities. Now that's all, thanks for watching, support me, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video, let's earn cryptocurrency together.